You must do the things you think you can't do. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, a barefaced lie. A barefaced lie. We are going to discuss in detail about the idiom, a barefaced lie. What is the meaning of this idiom, barefaced lie? And what are the situations you can use this idiom, a barefaced lie? Let's get into the lesson. Barefaced lie meaning: a falsehood told with utter confidence and without trying to conceal the fact that it is false, especially a planned or deliberate falsehood. If you are telling a lie with utter confidence and without trying to conceal the fact that it is false, is called a barefaced lie. A barefaced lie is a lie that is told without any attempt to conceal it. The implication is that the person who tells a barefaced lie is aware that others might know they are lying or will probably find it. It means the person who told a barefaced lie is aware that others might know they are lying or they will find it. Probably they will find it. That is called a barefaced lie. A barefaced liar is one who displays no shame about lying even if they are exposed. A person who has no shame about lying is called a barefaced liar. In this class, we have discussed the meaning of the idiom, a barefaced lie. Shall we use the idiom in sentence? Shall we use this idiom in sentence? Look at this sentence carefully. That's a barefaced lie, the police told the court after the defendant's testimony. It means after hearing the defendant's testimony, the police told the court that it is a barefaced lie. It means the defendant told with utter confidence and without trying to conceal the fact that it is false. Number 2, all the teachers know he is a barefaced liar. It is a wonder anyone believes a thing he says anymore. Every teacher knows that particular student is a barefaced liar. No one believes a thing what he says. And the last example, the teacher knew the student's explanation for the broken window was a barefaced lie. A student has broken the window and he gave explanation to the teacher. Teacher knew the student's explanation for the broken window was a barefaced lie. It is an utter lie. The student is telling a lie without trying to conceal the fact that it is false. He is telling a planned or deliberate falsehood. In your life, you can come across such persons who are a planned and deliberate liar. He is called a barefoot liar. A lie that is told without any attempt to conceal it is called barefoot lie. In this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the idiom, a barefaced lie. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.